So today we're going to be needing some rubbing alcohol to make sure the surface is clean for the 3M tape. We're going to need a ratchet and a socket, 5/16 to be exact. Then also we're going to need some paper towels to wipe away anything with the alcohol. Here we got the actual wind visors. Here's the front right one and the front left one. The 3M tape is already put on and we're just gonna peel it off. Pretty good condition, looks nice. Let's get started. Also, we may be needing a prying tool, so I'm gonna be using this flathead just in case. First, we're going to start off by rolling down the window. Next, we're going to have to pry the trim pieces out with the screwdriver that I had. You can use any prying tool. Mostly recommended a plastic one so you don't scratch your teeth. Pretty simple, just one little clip and it comes right off. Now get your ratchet. And also go ahead and get your 5/16 socket. Now we're gonna loosen these two bolts. You're gonna only need to loosen these two bolts. You're not gonna need to loosen any other bolts. Now hand twist them off most of the way, but not all the way. Now we go ahead and step outside and get some paper towels so we can clean the surface where the 3M tape will be sticking to. Now start wiping all of the surface where the 3M tape will be sitting. Make sure to get this little slit inside of the side view mirror trim piece.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing
What I found
around these
easiest to me is if I tear off a section and leave a little strip so I can pull off once I've already stuck the first part. It's way easier to mount the window visor.
till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now, if you followed my method, all you're gonna have to do is pull the strip and just mount the rest of the window visor. There we have it. A very simple addition you can add to your car that is very beneficial. Now you can leave your windows down to let all the hot air out without worrying about getting water inside when it starts raining. Now go ahead and tighten the bolts back up so we can go ahead and put the trim pieces back where they're supposed to be. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward on the other side and let you guys see a little time lapse of it.
I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. But we fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swam against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
And there we have it, the finished product. I really like how it came out and I really think it was worth it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.